In this lesson, we're going to take a look at working with panels in Fireworks. Panels are part of the interface, and really what it does is it keeps your workspace very neat and tidy. So when you open Fireworks, the panels will open up here, and if you want to follow along with me, just open up the fwuser.png file located in your exercise folder, or any image that you want to work with. So the panels are right here. They all have tabs, and if you want to open a panel, just click on it and it pops down. Click it again, and it collapses. The other thing that you can do with panels, of course, is just pull them off. So if I want to bring the layers panel over here, I can tear it off the panel, and you see it just floats in its own window all by itself. Now, panels are somewhat context sensitive. That means that the options that are showing up in here apply only to the content of the panel or what the panel does. For instance, in the layers panel, I can apply a number of blend modes to the content on the ring layer. I can also add opacity, and this is just an opacity slider here. Another key feature of working with panels is right here. This is the context menu, and the menu allows you to choose options that apply to the layer that's selected, such as sharing layers to pages, sharing layers to all pages, flattening selections, hiding things, locking things, things like that. And once you click away from it, it collapses. Now this little icon up here, and you'll see that it's here and here on the panel. This collapses it right down to icons. So if I collapse it, that buys me even more screen real estate, and if I click on it, the panel opens. Now if I want to expand the panel and put it back, all I have to do is just grab the handle there and just move it where I want it to place. So I'm going to put it in beside the states. Of course, it would help if I did it beside the states. There we go. Other things that I can do is I can just move the panel order within a layer stack. So there you go. There's using panels. They're all over the place. And one of the other things that you can do with it, by the way, is if you want to create your own panel groupings, just pull out the panels that you think should be together. For instance, I'm going to have color palette and swatches, and then I'm just going to collapse the panel, and I'm going to take this panel group and just put it underneath the document library and common library. And if I go to Window, Workspace Layouts, I can actually save this layout, and every time I open the application, the color palette and swatches panel will be together. So there you go. There's working with panels in Fireworks. It's a huge time saver and really makes you quite efficient.